Hey guys, welcome back to Mercedes Lounge. This is a 2021 AMG GLE 53 Coupe, and this is a first drive at this brand new GLE 53. Retail price $90,000. I'll leave a link to some of the key options and features on this GLE 53. The exterior of this GLE 53 is black. Interior, you have black exclusive Nappa Leather. The upper dash is wood trim, and it looks fantastic. Let's go. Awesome. So right off the bat, very solid car. Let's listen to the engine. So here it is, standard features and performance and handling. The AMG-enhanced 3-liter inline-6 turbo engine with EQ boost, which produces 429 horsepower with 384 pound-feet of torque. It has the AMG SPEEDSHIFT 9-speed automatic transmission and the AMG ride control, plus with suspension based on Airmatic, which means once you change your drive type from sand to slippery mode, cars high to jazz to that mode, you have AMG Performance for Matic all-wheel drive and the AMG Dynamic Select system. On the interior, comfort and convenience, you have these gorgeous 12.3-inch touchscreen displays and the 12.3-inch widescreen digital instrument cluster, navigation, 64-color ambient lighting system, Sirius XM radio, also the AMG Performance steering wheel in Nappa Leather, and the AMG Night package, which offers you those high gloss black elements, front and rear apron trim, twin tailpipes in black chrome. Total retail $90,745. Let's start at the front here of this GLE 53. You have the AMG Night package, which offers you a ton of high gloss black elements on the exterior, with the high gloss black on the window surrounds, with the black side mirror housings as well, front headlamps, LEDs. You have 2 eyebrows, which offers you daytime running. At the front, you have this very large Panamericana grille, almost feels inverted right here on the design. You also have AMG branding. Your active distance distronic systems go right here, larger than my hand, which means the active distance distronic systems work very well with your radar tech for your driver packages. This car is fully loaded with a ton of driver packages, and I'll list those in the descriptions. Front perspective down here, very aggressive look, very masculine look on the front splitter, large air intakes, which are fully functional with 2 fins on it, bunch of sensors down here. You can also take a look at the size of that air vent. So a ton of breathing room for this engine. Front facing camera. At the top on the hood you have the AMG power domes. Let me come to this other perspective. Really appreciate the side perspective on this GLE 53. You have those wheel fenders, which gives it a very distinct look, very stylish, very aggressive as well. 21-inch rims with the silver brake calipers. Size on the front tires 275/45 R21. These are 21-inch rims. The rear tires are 315s, also 21-inch rims. Right here, chrome door handles with the keyless go. If you approach the car, slip your hand in, the doors open. You can lock the car with this impression. Now let's take a look at the rear. You have those very distinct, impressive LED tail lamps, which begin from this side of the car to the other side. AMG branding right here, GLE 53 on the right hand side. I just love this look, absolutely impressive. The only thing I don't like is the rear look here almost feels unfinished, and I think Mercedes or AMG is going to do a good job back here in the future. The reason is you have this piece of plastic, which I've heard some comments about. For a $90,000 car, this is a whole ton of plastic back here. Now, forget the plastic. Rear diffuser, very impressive. You have a class 2 trailer hitch. Because of the AMG Night package, these are the black chrome tailpipes, and these are fully functional. These are not fake. If you look down here, you can see there are 2 of them back here, same as on the other side. Now that's the look from that perspective. Now let's look at the trunk space. It's a decent sized trunk. You have some side netting right here, very large. You do have a cargo cover right here, so if you don't want your luggage to be burnt in the hot sun or your groceries, you want to pull this cargo cover over it, and that's your trunk space. Up here you have the electronic trunk close. And that's really the rear look. You have a black rear spoiler right here. Love the sloping roof line on this GLE 53. Take a look at that. Now let's jump on the rear. On the rear you have heated seats and the black wood trim right here. Burmester speaker system and good quality control for your doors. Down here you have cup holders. There is no illuminated door sill right here. There is some storage netting right here. Air vents at the center. And the black exclusive Nappa leather feels very good. This material here, kind of like Alcantara, very soft, like suede material. At the center, you have 2 slots for cup holders right here. And that's the panorama roof, and you can sit 3 adults here very comfortably. There is more than enough legroom. Let's take a look at the passenger's perspective. You have memory seating as well, 1, 2, 3, heated and cooled seats right here. I'm gonna make sure those are turned off. Burmester speaker system, cup holder and additional storage, and I think it looks really good from this perspective, very high quality. Your passenger has their own air vent right here, and the glove compartment is also deep enough, and the handlebars here. Passenger's perspective, you have Burmester speaker system, good quality leather. The headrests are very comfortable. You do have AMG branding on the back of the seat, and they feel like bucket seats from this perspective, very comfortable. You have some thigh support on the side here, very good quality. Driver's seat as well is actually very comfortable with the headrest and the AMG branding right here. You have black seat belts. Down here you have some sport pedals. Is also a must-have on this AMG. Your light fixtures are over here, your parking brake. And then this is a view from the back of the paddle shifters. Now let's take a look at the driver's side door, as we always do. Memory seating 1 to 3, heated, cooled and ventilated seats right here, and your Burmester speaker system. Down here you have one cup holder and some storage, trunk lid. The window controls are over here, good quality as well. Side mirror folding and orientation. Right here you have the AMG Performance steering wheel, which has the flat bottom right here. You have AMG branding, and it's fully leather with the black stitching on it. And you have touch controls on the left hand side and some more touch controls on the right hand side for your center display. These controls right here are for your digital instrument cluster right here. This GLE 53 does not have the AMG drive unit, which will be knobs right here for your dynamic select and other vehicle features. So you have some knobs which usually come around here. I do have another GLE 53 with that AMG drive unit. You may want to check it out. You also have paddle shifters behind. You do have paddle shifters behind it right here, your downshift and your upshift. Good quality with the ton of depth and width at the back, so you're not going to miss your paddle shifters. Good quality, nothing feels cheap, and very loud horn with an airbag right here. Upper dash, finish in leather, and it's actually very soft material. Very soft leather with the gray contrast stitching all the way to the other side. Then down here you have on the upper dash wood trim. You can also get this wood trim, or you can pick carbon fiber if you want to configure this GLE 53 on the Mercedes website. So this is your climate control system, very good quality. You have these piano keys which allow you to control those, very high end. And notice the leather in between the gap here with the stitching, high quality. Up here you have wood trim. You can get this in carbon fiber. You have 4 rectangular air vents up here with good quality knobs for your airflow. Then you have the 12.3 inch digital instrument cluster on the left hand side and the other display on the right hand side. And you do have 64 colors to choose from for your ambient lighting right here. Over here on the center console you have 2 cup holders, NFC charging, USB-C ports right here. And to close this compartment you just pull the lever and it closes like that. So this is actually wood trim. You may want to get this in carbon fiber, but this car is configured with the wood trim option. Center console also feels very high-end, very good quality. You have haptic feedback, which is what you'd get on your regular smartphone, and all the buttons are features around it. Love the quality, very soft, very fluid, very responsive as well. Dynamic select options right here, parking systems, your side mirrors, favorites, navigation and maps right here. That's the button. Then you have your radio systems over here and your telephone right there. which means you can control this MBUX system from your center console or from these trackpads and touchpads right here on either side. So really, your hands remain on the wheel when you're driving, and you don't have to struggle too much to focus on this if there's so much traffic ahead of you. You can always switch to these touch controls on either side of this steering wheel. And this is the MBUX system, which is a Mercedes-Benz User Experience Infotainment System, or MBUX. I have a full video on this MBUX. I'm going to drop a link somewhere around here on the video at a card. Click on that and check out that video. So overall, very good quality SUV. And you can see right here is a 2021 AMG GLE 53. Retail is $90,000. And you can get this car right now from Mercedes-Benz of Draper. I'm going to leave a link in the description. Make sure you check it out. And leave a comment. Subscribe to this channel for weekly Mercedes and Mercedes AMG videos.